The Fluere Daiquiri, a non-alcoholic riff on this 1909 classic. Everybody knows the Daiquiri, a rum-based cocktail. We replace the rum with Fluere spiced cake. It adds a bit of chocolate, toffee and beautiful full sugar cane notes to your non-alcoholic Daiquiri. Again, a simple recipe. 1/3 sugar syrup, 2/3 of lime juice and 2 ounces of Fluere spiced cake. We're going to start with the hero. We're going to add 2 ounces of Fluere spiced cake into a cocktail shaker. Next up is 1/3 of ounce of sugar syrup. And we're going to squeeze in 2/3 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. There you go. As you see, a very simple and easy recipe. Just 3 ingredients, but so full of flavor. We're going to shake your cocktail with ice cubes for around 10 seconds to really dilute and chill it properly. There we go. See, nice and cold. And then we're going to fine strain it into this beautiful cocktail coupe. Look at that nice color, golden brown. Last but not least, we're garnishing this cocktail with a little lime wedge, just like that on the rim. There you go, the Fluere Daiquiri.